right, fifth grade, this is lesson 6. Lesson 6 is comparing decimals using greater than, less than, or equal to signs. So these signs that are right here. And remember in class how I said that the alligator eats the bigger number, so just keep that in mind. What I'd like you to do on each of your charts and everything that you do, every time you're going further right, your numbers are getting smaller. The more left you go, your numbers are getting larger. So if the ones over here are bigger, your number's probably bigger. All right, so let's look at these numbers and we're gonna put them in here to just look at the numbers and compare them. So the first one, we have 34 and 223 thousandths. So 223 thousandths. Let's look at this one. 34 and 332 thousandths. So we always start over here at our larger spot and we work our way that way just to see, because if this one is bigger, then I obviously know that that one is the biggest number. So we always start over here. So 3, 3, they're the same. So I move over. 4 and 4, they're the same. So I move over. 2 and 2, they're the same. Move over. 3 and 2. Okay, here's where we can stop. Right here we have two different numbers. Which one is bigger? Well, that 3 is. So this number right here, or this number right here, is biggest. So my alligator needs to eat that number. Okay? So working your way from left to right, comparing your two numbers, will definitely help you find which one is the biggest number. So with this one, there is no chart. So what you can do is you can either make your own chart or you don't need your chart. It's up to you. So if you like the chart, use it. If you don't need the chart, you don't need to use it. Remember, we had this one from the last lesson, so you guys can use this chart if you'd like to, or you can make your own. So I'm going to look at B because I see a decimal here and then I see a fraction here. They don't look the same. I don't know if I can compare them yet. So I'm going to turn this fraction into a decimal. So let's look at that bottom denominator. It's 100. So I know that this number needs to end in the hundredths place. And the hundredths place, according to my chart, is 2 places after that decimal place. So 2 places after, that 3 needs to go there, which means the 8 goes right next to it. Now I can look at these numbers. They look identical, don't they? That's where our equal sign goes. If they are the same number, they're equal. Okay? If they're in words, go ahead and put them into decimals so that you can compare them. Okay? All right, I hope this lesson helps and good luck.